Like you really look at it,
Yeah.
and then you actually stop yourself. Like it's
Yeah.
not your job to clean this shit up.
Yes.
I think that's one of the hardest things for
Yeah.
me to do.
That's right.
Yeah.
I have a kid with my daughter only few months old. And this is what I feel sad when he talk over the phone is, you do nothing wrong. You're the best wife I ever wish to have. You take care of the house, you take care of finance, you take care of Ava well, you take care of my parent well. It's just me. I don't know what I want. And right now, I think I want her. That's it. I hang up the phone. And of course, you have to do whatever you have to do when you're... But then you still sit with it for a second. You like, so I do everything people say for me should be a wife. I cook, I clean, I take care of the house, I take care of in-law. But that's not enough if the man don't know what he want either. And I'm glad that he say that in that manner. Because at least he honest with me one thing, that I do nothing wrong. Right? So I should say thankful for that sentence. So the next question I want to ask is that the process you go through, what made you realize about yourself to the next level of who you are?
Well, I would say that, many things can trigger you to think and grow. But I think one of the thing is when I worked on my relationship, like why we broke up, why was I a fixer? Why did I treat him like a child, know? And I think one of the things that helped me realize that I'm good enough is because my ex-husband used to cheat. At that time, I blamed myself. You should be more forgiving. I don't know why, women bring.
Yeah.
Like when they cheat, you blame yourself.
Yeah.
But that's what I did.
Yeah.
Like you should be more forgiving, or you should be better so he doesn't cheat. But the truth I've learned is that you cannot control another person.
Yeah, that's right.
You can do 100 right things,
Yeah.
and you cannot control his response to that. That was a very big lesson for me, that actually I can do 1,000 wrong things or 1,000 right things. It actually does not change the outcome.
Yeah.
He is the only person that can decide what's his next step.
Yeah. What do they want for their life? Yeah.
Right. So I realized that it was completely out of my control,
Yeah.
like a partner's choice and whatever. So I think from that point, I stopped blaming myself, because I was blaming myself. Oh, if I was a better wife, this wouldn't happen, right? If I didn't ask him for a divorce, he wouldn't revenge on me with the online thing. But I asked myself, like, oh, because I wasn't good, maybe because I was mean.
Yeah.
So he's fighting back. He's trying to defend himself. Actually, it's not true.
Yeah.
The truth is, I can only control what I do, and
That's
he
right.
will control what he does.
That's right. That's exactly what my lawyer tell me. Because when he wrecked the kid out of the house, and I was very sad, and I would cry, and I call her, and she say, look, the only thing you can do is control yourself, go to police station and be calm and write the police report. Do not fight back.
Yes.
That's it, right? And then I'm like, wait a minute. Is it a normal mother will react like that? No, of course not. You see your baby screaming when she's less than 2 years old, and you feel so hurt, and you have to go police station and don't know what is going on with your kid there. So I think the calmness that you have to step yourself out, and then you more clarity of what is going on, and then you own it up, but you're not going to clean it up or fix it up because it is already done.
Correct. I love that. I think that's the key.
Yeah.
Like you really look at it,
Yeah.
and then you actually stop yourself. Like it's
Yeah.
not your job to clean this shit up.
Yes.
I think that's one of the hardest things
Yeah.
for me to do.
That's right.
Yeah.
I don't say create the new identity. I would say it's reborn.
Yes.
Right. You have to be completely destroyed and broken to bloom in the new way.
Yes.
In the way of who you are right now. Then what did the bigger thing reflection you realize yourself at today? Do you feel grateful for everything happened?
Yes.
She said yes so far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will come back with you with another episode and another amazing guest. Bye.